Welcome to the Mesonet Weather Report. I'm Wes Lee. As the drought continues in Oklahoma, one thing that has become an issue for many livestock producers is having adequate drinking water in pastures. In some locations, federal and state assistance is available to help pump water from a well or from one location to another. Mesonet has a sensor called a pyranometer at each tower that can help producers determine if solar panels might be a feasible option for water pumping energy needs. Here is a daily map showing the total radiation in megajoules per square meter on Tuesday. It can be converted to a more usable unit of measure, kilowatt hour, by multiplying it by a factor of 0.277. Looking at long-term data will be more useful, such as this map of average daily total solar radiation for last year. Peak solar radiation occurs in the summer months, as shown here for the summer of 2021. However, for use in a year-round pasture situation, we would need to size a system based on the lowest solar radiation months, which are in the winter. In the winter, you can see that solar energy levels are less than half the summer values. Visit our website at mesonet.org for more information on how to use our solar radiation values. Now here's Gary with a summary of the October weather conditions.
Thanks, Wes, and good morning, everyone. Well, these rainfall events are certainly wonderful for where they hit in the state, but some parts of Oklahoma continue to miss out. Let's get straight to that new drought monitor map and see where we're at. Well, we have more improvements. Most of these came in southeast Oklahoma and over in east central Oklahoma, where some of those heavier rains fell last week, but unfortunately not enough rain over other parts of the state to show any improvements. Each rainfall event leads us to the possibility of more improvements, but it's definitely location, location, location. Let's take a look at some of the October events that helped that drought to be relieved over in that part of the state. And we can see from the October rainfall map, we have some pretty good rainfall amounts across southwestern, down into south central, and up into southeastern and east central Oklahoma. So sort of a U shape there. Other places outside of those areas, simply not enough rainfall to alleviate the worst of the drought conditions, from 1 to 2 inches, and of course you can see up in far northwest Oklahoma, generally less than a quarter inch for most places, so not enough rainfall to help most of the state with the drought. Those problem areas show up even better on the October percent of normal rainfall map. We do see those areas down in southwestern into south central, over in east central Oklahoma, those areas of surplus, but too much deficit area up in the north central and northwestern parts of the state, traveling down into the central parts of Oklahoma. Now, October temperatures, it depends on when you got up. If you got up early in the morning, well, you notice that it seemed pretty cool during October. And most of the area was below normal for October with those minimum temperatures. Then you look at the high temperatures and you see those are 2, 3 to even 4 degrees above normal. So we had a lot of hot days and a lot of cool mornings in October. Okay, the key to alleviating this drought is more rainfall events, but also remember, location, location, location. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.